This is a 1965 182H with 4,092 hours on it, with a zero-time propeller, and this is a great aircraft. It's been all over North America with 4 people in it. All the way to the Caribbean, and I'm putting it up for sale because I'm getting too old and I don't fly it enough hours. Let's open the door. Very, very nice interior with headrests in the back as well as headrests in the front. Nicely finished, up to date. Instrument panel has a Garmin Aero 510 in it, with dual nav comm, Bendix King, 197A, 2 of them, and it has a Garmin GTX 327 transponder. The aircraft is in really good condition. It flies fantastically. It just finished its annual inspection. The headliner is in great shape. And yes, it has 4-place intercom. All the windows are good. The windscreen is not too old. It was replaced about 8 years ago. It's in great condition. Walking all the way around, you can see it has been to the Caribbean many times, all the way from the west coast of Canada. It's been all the way across Canada as well. It's just a great family aircraft. Kind of sad to see it go, but it is time. Look on the other side. Again, you can see all the details. Very nice aircraft.